When you see them viewers, squaddy them put a 9 ball in a taxi driver chest and call it a day more and be. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have the video that we talk about, plus 4 youth from Cherry Tree Lane get walla make step and JJ 3 points gone. So before me jump in at the reasoning, pre this. When you see them viewers, the simplest thing boy you can cause enough to lose on a life. Look there, squaddy them put a 9 ball in a taxi driver chest and call it a day more and beer. My people, yesterday me do a review about this, Bush in the taxi man, where squaddy and him did dead, in some argument, where the man they load him taxi. Squaddy pull up and I tell the man say, don't load this so empty taxi, and the man never ever take no talk. Tussling start till see the normal viewers. Squaddy rip off and put a 9 ball in the man chest and call it a day more and beer. So as I say, the thing senseless boy, And look there, a them same man fear help him and put him in a car and carry him to hospital, That's why when you see the residents them a go and say, My people, everybody blood a boil boy. Everybody bad boy. Nobody not take no talk boy. And that me get out of everything where I go on boy. The place just lawless so. So my viewers, walk with me. Move on to our next topic. See them 4 youth them where squaddy them find a Cherry Tree Lane, but them a go make step. Say a reprisal settings. My people, right now, at the saddest news this boy, 8 drop one time, me I tell you, even a little 7-year-old, and see it now. Big talk I make say the players them overseas and the man them where they on cell block did send out the crash dummy them and see it there. Them really go crash me I tell you my people. Right now, squaddy I look for them, JDF I look for them. So anyway where them boy they will pull the trigger in and take them 8 life there, You better vanish, you better run go hide. Cause what I say, when the law will and bring in settings, a flat pan face back for the 7-year-old. So as I say my people, see the 4 youth them where squaddy them hold them, so them a go back go make step, reprisal settings for the 8 way drop, and see it now. 4 youth gone pan cell block. My people, walk with me again. See that youth you wanna see on the screen, him name JJ, Dela Vega City. Him bat get flick me I tell you And as you can see, the youth them are dead young boy, Them not live no life boy, The youth them not care about nothing else boy, more than for jump in a badness and hold off lane and scheme, And make some man where they are foreign and dep and cell block a program them, So as I say my people, latest victim forget it over in a Dela Vega City at the youth, And as I say, you don't see where I go on boy, Reprisal is a must, Friends and family I walk with revenge in them heart, Same like how you see as the thing go on a Cherry Tree Lane. Them 4 youth they jump on youngers and say them a go make step. So what you think I go on for JJ? So as I say my people, it's a never ending thing I go on boy. Unnecessary war I go on. And the man them who a program the youth them, notice say them not get it in a this. Them run we gone a foreign gone lock up in a house. Or who no dey on cell block. No say him nah come back a road. So him does a program be a youth for turn crash dummy. So get a youth, live and learn. Nothing not in a badness. Dead end. When you hear that. So my people, until next time, stay safe out there, Protect phone 3 points. Cause you can see boy, not a joke thing.